Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing foods right there at home. So Chef, what is it today?
Today we're going to do Cacio Pepe.
Cacio Pepe, okay.
That's right.
All right.
Does that sound fancy?
It does.
It means salt and pepper.
Well, there you go. You learn something new every day. How do we get started?
All right, we're going to add some butter to a hot pan.
Okay, nice.
You don't want to get it too brown.
And you don't want to burn the butter, that's for sure, right?
So then we're going to have fresh ground pepper, and it has to be fresh ground. You don't want it out of a shaker.
Okay, excellent.
It has more fragrance.
Fresh ground Pepe.
That's Pepe.
Okay,
that's right.
yes.
All right, so we're going to do that. So you've already cooked off our pasta, but we reserved about a cup and a half of the water.
Okay, and you usually put some salt inside the water when you're boiling it up, okay?
Exactly. So let's go ahead and add our pasta.
Very nice. You're talking my language there. I love that.
And then we're going to deglaze the pan with our pasta water.
Excellent. Just a little bit at a time there?
Yeah,
okay.
you just kind of, this is supposed to be a really light summery dish, so
Okay.
you don't want to go too crazy. You want a little more salt.
Excellent.
And don't go too heavy on the salt, because we are going to add a lot of parmesan.
Yeah, and we have that salted water in there already.
Right.
Okay.
So we're going to add some of that, just to get it incorporated.
And this is just like the secret ingredient right here. This is amazing.
This is the best thing I've seen at the Ingles Deli in a long time.
Yep.
Already shredded chicken, already cooked, super simple. Just throw that in.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to smell really good here too. Excellent.
So, see how it's kind of sticking?
Yep. And you can use a spatula. You don't have to throw it up in the air.
Right. You could add a little more water when it's starting to stick a little bit.
Excellent.
To finish it off, you're going to put some arugula.
Ooh, yeah, a little bit of color there.
And have you ever worked with arugula much?
You know, it's not very long, is what I've been told.
Yeah, it's not very long. It wilts down nicely, and it's a little peppery.
Okay.
So it goes perfect with this dish.
Perfect.
Okay.
That's looking good. It's smelling good. You can smell that pepper.
Right. Kind of wilt that down.
Excellent.
Go ahead and hand me the bowl.
Want some there we go, in this.
There we go.
And
that's it.
That
See
looks
how
good.
simple that is?
Yeah, I love that. It smells good, nice and cheesy.
Right.
I mean, you're right. It's a great summertime light dish.
Exactly. And so to finish it off, and you really have to think about this, you always eat with your eyes first, right? So, just add a little pop of color there.
That looks amazing.
Maybe
a little basil on top. Yeah, there we go.
Finish it with some more.
Oh, Chef Kale, that's beautiful. Look at that dish. All right, thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.
A little more cheese, a little more cheese.
Yeah, most definitely. That's good stuff.
Can you ever really go over on more cheese?